Hi everyone, I'm Hallie. Welcome back to my channel. I have been, it's been a minute since I've done a video, and it's because I've been diligently working on my tutorial courses for how to make traveler's notebooks. I've had a lot of requests, and so I finally took the plunge, and that's what I've been working on. So I'm going to show you what we're doing in the first course, but I want to let you know that I have decided to be on Teachable just because, number one, I'm a booksmither, so I'm on there already. Number two, it's free and to sign up. And number three, you can do not only videos, but upload PDF files and instructions, and it's just really user friendly. So, and you can also download the videos if you want. So, that said, I will show you what I have in the foundational course. The first course is free. It is a basic how to make a traveler's notebook with stuff you have already around the house. You don't need a lot of tools. You don't need a lot of materials. We're making one out of junk mail. How cute is that puppy with chewing on the tomes? So there's one. And most of these don't take a lot of time either. I mean, you can do them in 10 minutes or less. This is a cookie box with some really pretty duct tape. This was a Vera Bradley coupon holder. And here's the elastic, and we just installed elastics there. So, and we also go into sort of different kinds of closures as well in these courses. So this is one I made out of a calendar from some of my friends in Australia, Judy and Prim. Hi Judy, hi Prim. I made this for when I come visit them, so this will be my journal. And now they're going to say, how? When are you coming to Oz? As soon as I can. And then this one is foam board. Foam paper. It's not really paper though. But anyway, this one. And then this is some Tim Holtz scrapbook paper. And so we do laminate ones. And then this is a borax box with wallpaper. And so we do a 2-string one. We do how to string with 3 and lots of other things. So the foundational course is the foundational course. You can do it with very few tools, stuff you have around the house. If you're a crafter, if you're not a crafter, it doesn't matter. But really the purpose of this is to get acquainted with traveler's notebooks and decide, you know, what you want to use them for. Depending on what you want to use them for, depending on where you're going with them, really determines the size and the materials you're going to use. So we just dive into all of that. So that's the first course, and it's free. So yay. Now, the second course, what I did was, let me move these out of the way, it's called the Dollar Tree TN Traveler's Notebook, because I used mostly all Dollar Tree stuff. So we're going to do a trifold, and we're going to do soft cover, we're going to do hard cover, out of different materials. This is a 2-hole one, and these little composition notebooks. Whoops, that's upside down. Yeah, these little composition notebooks I covered with scrapbook paper, and they are from the Dollar Tree. This is also from the Dollar Tree. We're going to talk about little different closures and stuff like that. And then a couple more. I go back into, we do laminated, but we also do pockets. So let me show you this. So this is a headband from the headband aisle. And this is laminate. This was a file folder. And whoops, it's upside down. And then this is how we do pockets. This is a pencil case, and this was also part of it. And then here's an insert. So, and pocket in the back. So there's that one. And then we do an autumnal theme one. So that was a file folder. This is actually a gift bag. And you'll see more what we do with it in the course. But, okay, so I will have a link down below for going to Teachable, and you can sign up and at least take the first course, and then you can decide if you want the second one or not. And I'm going to have an introductory price for the Dollar Tree one. And the next course that's coming up, which has just been my most requested course, is From Purses to Traveler's Notebook. So that will be next. And I will see you in the next video. And hope to see you over at Teachable. Bye!